Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening up a second one of these Bowman Platinum 2019 rack packs or value packs. Let me show the odds there. Probably be the last one of these I open. Just trying to save up to get some cool stuff at the end of the year, like Masterworks on Star Wars, and also I like to buy a case of Bowman's Best, so I'm trying to save up for that stuff. So we got Ohiris Montero, Nick Solak, he's doing really good for the Rangers. Alec Bohm, Shane McClanahan, Jared Kelenic, renowned rookies Danny Jansen, Tuki Toussaint, rookie, Ozzy Albies, AJ Pollock, Francisco Lindor, Juan Soto, Nomar Mazara, and that is it. So no numbered cards or anything in this value pack. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.